Here at Lloyd Land Rover Newcastle, we are excited to present this luxurious Range Rover 3.0 P550e Autobiography, which is finished in the stylish Santorini Black, supplied new in January 2024, and with only 11,361 miles on the clock, this Range Rover is certainly going to exceed all expectations with ease. The car comes fitted with stunning diamond alloy wheels and moving inside a black ebony leather interior, just to give it that extra sleek look. Not to forget, the car does come fitted with rear entertainment and also a free zone climate control and the ISOFIX for the extra safety for all the family to enjoy. Whether it's a short weekend break with or without the kids or a long haul journey, the car comes with a powered boot and unlimited boot space. This car is the definition of ultimate luxury. With the panoramic sunroof, you can enjoy it in the winter watching the rain or the summer when the sun comes flooding into the car. As appealing as this car is to the eye, it also comes with a range of appealing features. Let us show you a few. Starting with the bare necessities, the car comes with plenty of hidden and on-show compartments for all the family to enjoy. It also comes with a built-in navigation system to make them long journeys feel even shorter, and a 360 and rear camera just to make parking more stress-free. And if that wasn't enough, you can enter the car with keyless entry to enjoy the heated steering and the heated and cooled seats, followed with the Meridian sound system to hear all your favourite music to the best pitch possible. And if that didn't persuade you enough, not to forget, as part of the Land Rover Approved programme, it will come with 12-month warranty and 12-month roadside assistance, so you can buy a used Range Rover safe in the knowledge you are getting that Land Rover quality. Finally, not to forget, this car comes with a full service history and is waiting for you to take it on a test drive here at Lloyd Land Rover Newcastle. To arrange that, view more or ask any further questions, give us a call on 0191 229 3000.